As Monty Python would say, it is time for something completely different. When I was in graduate school, we would talk about the songs that we would sing and if they were biblical or not. And this one song would come up a lot, The Days of Elijah. You know, did David really build the temple of praise? Did he rebuild the temple of praise? Like, what was the first temple of praise? Is this the Psalms? Is it the physical temple he didn't even build? Like, what's going on with this song? I think we could do better. So one day, my roommate Paul McMullen and I sat down in about probably 25 minutes or so. We just had inspiration come to us. And as any good songwriting session goes, these words just started flowing out to rewrite this song in a way that is so much more biblical than the original Days of Elijah. We titled it The Days of Elisha. And it goes something like this. Now, you're going to have to just work with me. I'm not a great singer. But this is just a fun song, and I hope that you will enjoy it. I hope it brightens up your day, and here we go. These are the days of Elisha, sending out bears to kill men. And these are the days of that naughty Bathsheba, bathing, seducing David. And these are the days of Hosea, he had to marry a whore. And these are the days of your servant Jonah, who won't be the voice of the Lord. Behold, they come, lots of bears with claws, woman on the roof, taking her clothes off. Hosea's kids, lots of awful names. Jonah's in a whale, it's all insane. These are the days of Methuselah, when am I going to die? And these are the days of that strong man, Samson, he lost his hair and his eyes. And these are the days of Isaiah, God told me to lay in the buff. And these are the days of Moses, kids, Mom, why'd you cut off my stuff? Behold, they come, lots of bears with claws, woman on the roof, taking her clothes off. Hosea's kids, lots of awful names. Jonah's in a whale, it's all insane. And there you have it, the most biblical version of the song written to date. And hope you enjoy it. Hope this brightens up your day. And we will talk to you later. God bless.